Hello students, now we will learn practice set 25. Question: simplify the following expressions. Before solving this practice set, we will see some rules for simplifying an expression. If more than one operations is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first in the order in which they occur from left to right. After that, addition and subtractions are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. If there are more than one operations in the brackets, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. Now we will see the first example. 50 multiply 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Students, there is a multiplication, division and addition. Brackets are not given, so we will recall that rules. We will do first multiplication. 50 multiply 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. Now we will do division. 250 divided by 2. So 250 divided by 2, we can do here division. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 0. Now we will take this 5. 2 twos are 4. Remainder is 1. Now we will put this 0 in front of 1. So we got number 10. 2 5s are 10. So 250 divided by 2, your answer is 125. 125 plus 24. Don't forget to give the equal to sign. Now addition, 125 plus 125 plus 24. 5 plus 4 9. 2 plus 2 4. Here 1. Now we will solve next example. Learn second example. 13 multiplied by 4, bracket is complete, divided by 2 minus 26. 13 multiplied by 4, it is 52. 52 divided by 2 minus 26. 52 divided by 2, we will do here division. 2 twos are 4. 5 minus 4 1. We will put this 2 in front of 1. We got number 12. 2 6 are 12. So 52 divided by 2, quotient is 26, means 26 is the answer, minus this 26. 26 minus 26 is equal to 0. Now we will solve. Now we will see third example. 140 divided by, in square bracket, minus 11 multiply minus 3 minus, in bracket, minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1 bracket complete. This square bracket complete. One 140 divided by minus 11 multiply minus 3. We will solve this. Minus multiply minus plus. 11 3s are 33. Minus minus, if the negative sign in front of bracket, and in bracket there is a negative number, then minus minus plus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. square bracket complete. So 140 divided by, now addition, division and subtraction, these operations are there. First we will do division. So 33 plus 42 divided by 40, answer is 3. 14 3s are 42, minus 1, square bracket complete. We will put here equal to sign, equal to 140 divided by 33 plus 3, 36, minus 1, square bracket complete. 140 divided by, now we will solve this bracket, 36 minus 1, 35. So 140 divided by 35, answer is 4. We will solve fourth example in curly bracket. 220 minus 140, round bracket complete, plus in square bracket 10 multiply 9 plus in round bracket minus 2 multiply by 5, round bracket complete, minus 100. Now we will solve this bracket. 220 minus 140. So your answer is 80, plus, now we will solve this multiplication. 10 multiply 9, 90, plus we will solve this multiplication. Minus 2 multiply by 5, your answer is minus 10. Square bracket complete, and now we will complete here curly bracket. Minus 100 is equal to, in curly bracket, 80 plus, now 90 plus minus 10, so 90 plus minus minus 10, square bracket, curly bracket complete, minus 100 is equal to, in curly bracket, 80 plus, we will solve this square bracket, 90 minus 10, 80, curly bracket completed, minus 100 is equal to, now we will solve this bracket. 80 plus 80, 160. 160 minus 100, your answer is 60. So today we have learned practice set 24 and 25. Thank you.